Guys, good evening. This is Captain A330 coming to you from the airport lounge. You're staring at a Delta Airlines Airbus A330. An A330-300 and the scale 1/200. Before Delta Airlines acquired this aircraft, Northwest Airlines first acquired this aircraft back in 2005, and it was meant to replace the McDonnell Douglas DC-10. And after being serviced from about 2006 up until 2010, and then the merger between Delta and Northwest Airlines was complete. And all of Northwest Airlines planes, including this one, was paying Delta Airlines livery. Now, first starting off with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Delta is a member of SkyTeam. This aircraft has been to Amsterdam Schiphol. There's the L1 door. The Delta widget livery. Delta Airlines. The two Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings, down towards the winglets of the A330. And staring up towards the front, and the registration number, November 809 NW, or November 809 November Whiskey. The Delta widget. Now over to the APU. There's the APU right there. The tailplanes, the Delta widget livery, the registration of this aircraft. Delta Airlines is a U.S. flag carrier. Going up towards the cockpit. There you got the cockpit right there. Come on the wings, onto the leading edges of the wings, up towards first class, and the first galley and the L1 door, where the purser and one of the air flight attendants welcomes the passengers on board, and the cockpit. On Christmas Day, December 25th, 2009, flight from Amsterdam to Detroit. This flight was almost lost. There was a hijacker who had a bomb in his underwear, but the passengers stopped him. And the flight landed safely at Detroit Wayne County International Airport in Michigan. I'll give you a glimpse of Delta's A330. There you see a bird's eye view as the aircraft is taken off. Very nicely done by skymarks. Delta Airlines has used this aircraft on flights out DTW, ATL, MSY, and JFK, and Newark Liberty International Airport. Just to be some of the airports, Delta's A330 flies to Amsterdam, Paris, Frankfurt, Zurich, Rome, Madrid, Barcelona, Lisbon, and to Tel Aviv, Israel, Ben Gurion International Airport. Alright, that is it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for my fans for watching my videos. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain A330, signing off for now. Have a good night.